The Lit Suite apps integrate seamlessly with the Files app, making it easy to manage and access all your documents and evidence. When using Lit Suite apps, your case files should be stored in the corresponding app folder in the On My iPad location within the Files app. This keeps your files easily accessible, even when you're offline. Best practice is to create your case file within the corresponding app folder for easy location later. You can organize your Lit Suite case files within the app folder just like any other documents in the Files app. Create new folders by pressing the New Folder icon. To move files into the new folder, tap Select in the upper right corner, select the files, and then select Move to choose the target folder. Need to share or move a case file? Case files should always be compressed or zipped before moving them to a cloud storage provider. Simply touch and hold on the case file to see all available options, like sharing with colleagues or moving to a cloud service. With the Lit Suite and the Files app, all your legal work is organized and at your fingertips, ready whenever you need it.